A detergent can be any solution that removes soil. It may be a soap, formed of natural ingredients, or it may be entirely synthetic. Either way, it must have the power to remove stains and dirt without harming the surface it's intended to clean. Spray-On's Neutra Force has the force of an exceptional cleaner degreaser without harmful chemicals or abrasives. Just look how Neutra Force outperforms Simple Green in a series of important tests. A detergent's ability to penetrate or wet out the substrate is a key indicator of how well it will penetrate to remove stains. In this test, we place a drop of water on 2 pieces of cardboard. When we add an additional drop of water, nothing much happens. Now add a drop of Neutra Force and watch how quickly the water spreads. Neutra Force has effectively reduced the tension between the water and the surface of the cardboard, allowing the detergent to penetrate through to the soils and therefore clean a larger area than water alone. With Simple Green, however, the wetting action is much less effective. While the ability of a detergent to wet out the surface is important, it must also be able to remove soil. In this test, a ceramic tile is heavily coated with motor oil. Neutra Force is dropped onto the tile. Its formula includes both lipophilic molecules that attract and bind with the oil, and hydrophobic molecules that draw the oil-heavy molecules into the water of the dilution. This enables Neutra Force to separate and emulsify the motor oil, resulting in more effective cleaning. As we see in this demonstration, Simple Green, on the other hand, has much less strength to disperse the oil. An often overlooked feature of a quality detergent is its ability to hold on to the dirt it's intended to clean. Otherwise, you just continue to spread the dirt around. To test this feature, we put drops of motor oil in 2 beakers of warm water. Add 1 ounce of Neutra Force to 1 beaker. Mix it with a tongue depressor for about 15 seconds. Notice that the Neutra Force tongue depressor is clean and the oil has reformed, demonstrating the excellent ability of Neutra Force to hold on to soils. The Simple Green solution demonstrates just the opposite. After mixing it into the oil and water, the tongue depressor is dirty and the oil is suspended in the solution. In other words, you'd be spreading a dirty solution across the surface you're trying to clean. Take another look. Neutra Force holds on strong, while Simple Green simply lets go of the oil. Finally, when we pour out both solutions and wipe the beakers with a clean cloth, notice that the Neutra Force cloth is clean, while the Simple Green cloth clearly shows the residue left behind in the beaker. Now let's look at pH levels. Why does pH level matter? The pH scale runs from 1 to 14. Anything below 7 is acidic and anything above 7 is alkaline. Cleansers that are either too acidic or too alkaline can harm sensitive substrates. So consider that Simple Green has a pH of 10, while Neutra Force has a pH level of 7, exactly the same as water. That makes it easy on the environment and easy on your skin. Neutra Force even meets the exacting Boeing specifications for safe, effective cleaning of titanium and alloys. Because Neutra Force has the same neutral pH as water, it'll also rinse clean like water. When we spray this metal surface with Simple Green and Neutra Force and wipe it 10 seconds later with a clean cloth, the Neutra Force surface is clear and glossy, while the Simple Green side shows a hazy, dull residue. Not only can residual detergent be slippery and dangerous, it also attracts dirt. And who wants to clean more often than necessary? While performance is key, value is always an important consideration. For this comparison, we've put 2 ounces of Neutra Force and Simple Green into 2 separate containers. We'll put each container under a steady stream of water and time how long it takes for each cleaner to stop sudsing. Neutra Force is still going strong after a full 30 seconds, while Simple Green is completely spent after the same amount of time. Even after Neutra Force has been poured out, the cup retains enough cleaning power to generate suds a second time, while Simple Green's cleaning power is long gone. So why pour money down the drain? With Neutra Force, a little goes a long way. The next time you're looking for a detergent that's tough on dirt but easy on the environment, penetrates stains, emulsifies dirty oils, and rinses clean, which would you choose? Simple Green or Neutra Force? The answer is simple. Get spray-on Neutra Force.